At Marshalls Pro Mortars, we produce ready-to-use mortar. This is produced in a pan mixer through gravity-fed delivery to a truck we call a pod truck. Part of that gravity-fed aspect of batching into the truck creates a sort of a splashback effect of mortar against the compartment walls. It is this mortar that dries, and it was the root of our problem. The removal process before was using jackhammers and hammers, and that required access into the truck and introduced many hazards, access egress hazards, working at height, rescue issues, noise, dust and vibration, and chemical exposure. With the risks posed by the original cleaning process clearly understood, mandate was given by John Davies, the Group Health and Safety Environmental Director, and Nick Bebb, the MD for the division. This set about giving the project team the scope and the authority to deliver this project. We understood we had to manage this mortar when it was wet, and the most practical means of doing that developed into using pressure washers. And the principle being that we would remove the mortar when it built up on the sidewalls of the compartment at the earliest opportunity. That would either be something after we've actually batched into the compartment, because we could turn that water back into the mix, accounting for that in the stiffness of the mix, or we could do it when the trucks returned back to site and we could rinse the compartments down. But a critical part to the actual pressure washer system was affording a system where the nozzle can be retracted back, and that allowed them to clear the near side wall without having to rotate the vehicle and adding in extra actions. The pressure washers are critical at moving the wet mortar, but what we also found was that within the body of the truck and the compartments, we have arms that agitate the mortar and prevent it from settling whilst being transported. There couldn't be close fitting, and so we needed to fill a gap basically against the body of the truck, and so fitted rubber scrapers. These scrapers also help deliver mortar which could become held within the body, which increased our yield on delivery. But furthermore, we fitted these scrapers to the arms that supported the scraper blades, and they help sweep the side of the compartments as well. So we have this continuous cleaning action as the truck is moving and heading to the customer. Our teams do not have to enter that truck at all to do any cleaning.